Hey guys, it's Joe Rawlinson, the founder of dadsguidetotwins.com. So the first question today comes from Andrew, and he wants to know, with boy-girl twins on the way, how long can they potentially share a single room before you need to split them up, before they need alternative living arrangements? Well, first, Andrew, congratulations on expecting your twins, boy-girl twins. That's exciting. Now, as you've probably guessed already, when they are infants, it's perfectly fine for them to share a room. We have twin girls, and they shared the same room, and they still do to this day. Now remember that the safest place for your twins to sleep is in their own individual sleep surfaces, so in their own cribs. But it's great for them to be in the same room and share that physical space together, but be safely in their own cribs. So one thing that you can consider is that when they're infants, they don't really have an opinion on where they're sleeping or who's in the room with them. And as they grow, even from the first year or to toddlers, they may be totally happy to be together and not separate. So really the answer to the question, Andrew, is when they start to express an opinion of how they want their bedrooms to be set up, how they want those arrangements to be handled, that's when you come to that decision if you're going to split them up and put them in different rooms or not. I've heard from several parents of fraternal boy-girl twins where their twins, they don't want to be separated, right? So they're together in the same room for several years because they enjoy each other as friends, as siblings, and enjoy that company. Or I've heard from parents who have split up their boy-girl twins, and one of them will sneak into the bedroom of the other one to be with them at night. And so, Andrew, you may find with your twins that the first couple of years they're together, and then maybe you want to split them up to give, maybe the boy has a boy room and the girl is in her own room. But ultimately that means they may bounce back and forth between rooms. They still may want to share and be together, and that's totally fine. So you've got at least a couple years before you need to separate them if they express the desire. Now, if your housing situation is such that there's not space for two different bedrooms, then it's okay to put them in bunk beds and let them share a room as long as is needful for your individual situation. Andrew, so congratulations again, Andrew, on your upcoming twins. Hope that helps with your decision of where sleeping arrangements are going to be for your twins. If you would like additional tips and tricks on preparing for, having, and raising your twins, check out some of these other videos on my channel and subscribe to the channel for the latest videos. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give a thumbs up and share with your fellow parents of twins as well. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.